Where should someone get started? I know you mentioned liver many times. What are a couple other steps that would have someone going down the right path? And then where can they, like, where do they get this stuff and how do they go down the right path?
Yeah. Step 1, start with liver. Step 2, liver. with all seriousness, you know, I talk about liver and go lift heavy shit. Learn the Barbarian, go train for the Barbarian, go complete the Barbarian.
Liver King, what is Barbarian?
Barbarian is the hardest thing that most people will ever do in their lives. I created this workout as a rite of passage so that people could cross this chasm, so that they would know what they thought was impossible is actually something that they can do. And then they can believe in themselves, and then once again they can point that process at anything and everything in all capacities. Barbarian is 70-pound kettlebells. It's 70 pounds in a backpack. It's 120 pounds on top of a 65-pound sled, and it's 20-pound ankle weights for 1 mile. You go do Barbarian, and that fucking guy inside of you, that primal guy, that wild guy will live during that whole Barbarian. And then after a while, your predecessor will come back and you'll say, you know how great to feel, how great it felt to be that wild, that free, that authentic. I want that guy to come out more. But most people are changed forever when they do Barbarian. So I know if people can learn what the Barbarian workout is, if they can train for the Barbarian workout, if they can accomplish the Barbarian workout, they've crossed this chasm and they believe in themselves so much more than what they even thought was possible, and that carries over to every capacity in life. So I'll tell you just for a second about the Super Barbarian, because almost nobody knows about the Super Barbarian. The Super Barbarian is something that the guys do in one of my companies. It's called Tip of the Spear. And it's one of the hardest, you know, it's the hardest thing. If you've done Barbarian, this is the one up, right? So now you take 50% of your body weight, and you're about 235, right? So you take 50% of your body weight as kettlebells. So now you got 120-pound kettlebells, 117.5. Let's say 120-pound kettlebells, right? Remember, regular Barbarian is 70. So now you got 120-pound kettlebells. You got 235 pounds on top of the sled. You got 117.5 pounds in your fucking backpack, still 20-pound ankle weights, still 1 mile. And so this can take more than 24 hours to complete the Super Barbarian. This is something that you measure not even in a full step. Some of your stints forward are gonna be in just a fraction of a step.
How long does it take?
Well, if you've never done Super Barbarian, you don't talk about Super Barbarian, the experience. You can talk about the rules, you can talk about the implements. It's a relative weight workout that's probably a lot more fair than Barbarian, but let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. Start with Barbarian, train for Barbarian, learn what you're capable of, and then do it again.
Guys, these legendary tasty pastries have changed the game. They're 20 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs. If you were a kid, and I was a kid that ate Pop-Tarts, those things tasted great. But the difference, man, Andrew, what are the macros on Pop-Tart?
Yes, for a regular Pop-Tart, we're looking at 190 calories, 37 carbs, 16 grams of sugar, and only 2 grams of protein. As comparison to a tasty pastry, we're looking at only 180 calories, 5 net carbs, 0 sugars, and 20 grams of protein.
And this bad boy is gluten-free.
There you go. That's right.
Friendly. And they taste so good. Like, I'm eating it cold. I got here, a little bit of coffee.
So good, though.
You guys can warm this up, man.
Yeah.
They have so many flavors on their website, too. You have to check them out, Andrew.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys got to head over to eatlegendary.com. They have tons of different things. They have almonds, they have butters, they have amazing flavored everything, and everything is all health conscious. Everything has low to no sugar.
They have nut butters.
They have nut butters, and you can't help but smile when you say nut butters. But head over to eatlegendary.com and use promo code PowerProject to save 20% off your entire order. Links to them down in the description, as well as the podcast show notes. I know it sounds like we're overhyping it, but I promise you we are not. You guys have to go try these tasty pastries right now.
You know, let this be your renewal for your rite of passage, a reminder of what you come from. And then if you want a deeper challenge, for people that have already really challenged themselves, that say, oh, Barbarian's not going to be that hard for me. You want something that I guarantee you is going to be absolutely crushing. This is Super Barbarian. And in terms of people that have done it, there's 3 people that have done it. And I couldn't be more proud to say that the person that did it first, Liver Queen. Liver Queen's the first person to do it. Liver King is the second. And I can say this, that Michael Ruyan is the third. And so we're about to have some more, but here's what ends up happening. People start training for it, and invariably, this is a tough thing to train for. Most people end up getting hurt as they trade for it. So now imagine, like, you gotta be completely healthy. You gotta be able to train for it, remain healthy, and then you gotta go off and do it. It's not an easy task. You're able to complete Super Barbarian, and I'll tell you right now, you can. I would hire you for anything. It tells me everything I need to know. So this is ancestral tenet 3, which is move, sleep, eat, move. But every day, if you tune into the stories, you're gonna see what we do every day. Start with liver, go lift heavy shit, stack the sun and the earth. You do those 4 things, and you're gonna be so much further along, and you're gonna feel so goddamn good that you're gonna wanna learn about all 9 ancestral tenets. And you can learn about all 9 ancestral tenets. There's a free ebook that I wrote. It's at liverking.com. There's an ebook there that gives you a guide to expanding upon all 9 ancestral tenets. It's just a guidebook. You can read it in a day, in an hour or so. And so the biggest thing that people need to remember is that people are really hurting today. Most people know that they're really hurting today. Most people know that they're meant for more. They don't know how to achieve more. And so what I'm doing now as the CEO of the Ancestral Lifestyle is to model, teach, and preach this way, so that people no longer have to suffer, so that we can express our highest and most dominant form. It's accessible to everybody, and it's something that if you start this today, this will change your life tomorrow.
Eating this way and eating like a king, do you have a poop story? Because, you know, all this stuff goes in, there's got to be something that goes out.
Have you heard the poop story?
I don't think so.
There's a legitimate poop story.
Oh, good.
I did a reel on the poop story. I hope somebody wants to, if they really want to know, they should search it up on Instagram because it's great. I take 1 royal shit a day. You know, I don't eat fiber.
Right.
I get a small amount of fiber. What I have is probably a 5-pound shit every morning at 6:30. It comes out like a fucking baby, all crispy, right? I don't have to wipe. Do I wipe? I fucking check it. I still check it. I'm like, holy shit, that was clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle.
His poops are tapered.
It's a royal fucking shit. You should watch the video because there's a great ending to it. I don't want to ruin it right here. You should watch. It's called The Royal Shit Show. It's called The Royal Shit Show. So that's what I do. I do 1. I'm not going to waste my time going back to the bathroom. I don't have to. I do 1 royal shit show in the morning. And I think when most people eliminate some of that unnecessary roughage in their diet, I think they're going to see the same thing.
And I think, you know, if people want to try to find out more information about like cholesterol, how that plays into all this, and you hear people talk about like colon cancer, it's probably just best to check out Paul Saladino's stuff, right?
That's what I do. I refer them all to the Carnivore MD, Paul Saladino. He has all of the data. And what's great is he'll give you the first 30 seconds. Here's the summary that you need to know. And then if you really want to know more,
you can dive in.
And he's going to dive in for you. Yeah, absolutely. I think that's a great resource.
Power Project family, a lot of the guys in the audience said that they hate me whispering, so I won't whisper anymore. I'll just whisper here again. So go ahead and comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out all our sponsors here in the bio or the description. Okay? All right. Bye.